Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the curve modifier. How this modifier will help us. Let's go to the 7, up or up to down. Look at up to down. Okay, control numpad, or you can press 7. Okay, I will press 7 and you can put a text here. Or a curve first. Let's put a curve first. For example, if I have a curve, what I'll do is that I'll click on the center and I'll come here like this and extrude it. Okay, so something like this. Okay, I'll put a text here, a text here, and I will say blender man. Okay, this is my text, and what I will do is that I'll select this blender man text and I'll go to the curve modifier and select the object. I'll select it, blender man. What can I do is that I can select this line or curve G. Something like this happens. You see, this is the use of curve. Okay, this was it. And another use is that let's delete this and let's create a road or walking car road. What I'll do is that I'll go to cube and scale it. I scaled it a little bit more. Yeah, and right now is good. And what I'll do, tab, control R, and make it two loop cuts, and right click and control R and left click and right click and scale to the y-axis to here, and press 3 and extrude. Let's say it's like a rod. Okay, rod. And what we will do is that I'll give this rod an array. Okay, in negative direction. You can give it in negative direction and put it as long as you want. And we will go to displace or curve. We'll close the array and we will take it from here, something like this. You see, and we will change the let's change the place of this, something like this. It's like a road, isn't it? You see? Yeah, this is the importance of curve. And don't forget that we use it array too. This was it. This was the curve modifier. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.